Hello there. Today, let's explore the seamless journey of accessing our RAQE Education London's Learning Management System, LMS, using your mobile device. Trust me, it's a breeze when you have the Moodle app at your fingertips. Let's dive into the steps and make your learning experience even more accessible and enjoyable. To get started, visit the LMS website at lms.rake.uk. Scroll down to the footer section and click on either the App Store or Google Play icon. This action will kick off the download of the app on your mobile device. An alternative method is to open your mobile device's Play Store. In the search bar, type Moodle and hit Install for the app. It's free. Once the installation is complete, remember to open the Moodle app. Ready for the next step? Inside the app, look for the option that says I am Learner and give it a friendly tap. Fantastic! Now input the LMS website, https://lms.rake.uk. Below, you'll find a link to connect to your site. Go ahead and click on that. Nice work. Enter your username and password to log in. Congratulations, you're in. Take a moment to explore the LMS dashboard. Time to dive into your courses. Click on Site Home, then navigate to My Course, and finally, click on Your Course. Now click to explore all the elements within the course, including engaging activities like lessons, quizzes, insightful case studies, and informative videos. Dive into the available materials for a comprehensive understanding of the rich and diverse content awaiting your discovery. Need to chat with your course teacher or admin? Click on Messages for quick and easy communication. This feature allows you to effortlessly connect with your teacher, facilitating discussions, seeking clarification, and enhancing your interactive learning experience. Click the arrow to explore your activities and grades effortlessly. Stay informed about your progress and achievements, making the most of your learning journey.
For additional options, click on the 3 dots. Here, discover your calendar and other activities. Before you wrap up, tailor your app experience by visiting App Settings. Adjust your font size to make it just right for you. Follow these steps with a smile, and you'll navigate through the Moodle mobile app like a pro. Thank you for tuning in and exploring the features of the RAQE LMS Mobile App with us. We believe these steps will elevate your learning experience. For any questions or additional assistance, feel free to email us at info@raqe.uk. Wishing you a fantastic learning journey ahead. Happy learning, and thanks for watching.